Every time I fall, I get back up again. Cinch my saddle up and find me another wind. Let it take me where it wants to go. Another one-horse town, another damned old rodeo. I know this life is crazy, but I'll be home soon, baby. I'll ride in on a sunny day, sing you a song, steal your heart away like a cowboy. Hang my hat like I'm here for a while, kick off my boots and drive you wild like a cowboy. I'll be gone. Until then I'll hold on like a cowboy. I'll keep your picture tucked inside my old hat. It brings me love, I need a bunch of that. This midnight winding road runs through my blood. I can't give it up like I said I would.